Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the GE Profile PSS93YPFS 30-inch slide-in smart electric range with true convection, radiant heating elements, and Wi-Fi connectivity. It is designed to bring both performance and smart technology into your kitchen. So if you are considering an upgrade, you can check out the product link in the description box below. So first of all, let's start our review with its design and the capacity. So this range features a spacious 5.3 cubic foot true convection oven, giving you plenty of room for the large meals, multiple trays, or holiday cooking. The true convection system circulates the hot air evenly throughout the oven, which is going to help bake goods rise properly and ensures the meats cook evenly from the edges to the center. On the cooktop, you are going to get 4 radiant heating elements plus a dedicated warming zone. The radiant elements heat up quickly and provide consistent temperature control that makes the task of the boiling, sauteing, and simmering smooth and predictable. The warming zone is useful for keeping the dishes hot without overcooking, though it's not as powerful as the main burners. Now, one of the biggest highlights of the product is its smart connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can control and monitor the oven remotely using your smartphone. It also integrates with the Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, allowing the voice control for the added convenience. This is especially useful for preheating the oven while you are busy with other tasks. Now, cleaning is made easier with the steam clean options, which loosens light food residue so that you can wipe it away without heavy scrubbing. In the real world cooking test, the performance stand out. Roasting, baking, and the everyday stovetop cooking all feel very consistent and reliable. So if you want a modern slide-in range with true convection performance and smart home integration, this particular product absolutely delivers what it actually claims. So it's ideal for the home cooks who value both technology and reliable cooking results. So if you want to learn more about the specification of the product, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.